How to fix ExpressVPN all tap Windows TAP-Win32 adapters in use error. This error means that there is a problem with the virtual network device that ExpressVPN uses to connect to its servers. It may be caused by a conflict with another VPN, a misconfiguration, or a corrupted driver. To fix this error, you can try the following solutions. Re-enable the ExpressVPN tap adapter. Go to Control Panel Network and Internet Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings. Right-click on the ExpressVPN tap adapter and select Disable. Then right-click again and select Enable. Reinstall the ExpressVPN. Tap driver. Go to the ExpressVPN app, click the hamburger menu, and select Options. Go to the Advanced tab, and click Reinstall tap driver. Follow the instructions to complete the process. Update the ExpressVPN. Tap driver. Go to Device Manager, and expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click on the ExpressVPN tap adapter, and select Update driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software, and follow the instructions to complete the process.